fine. I'm gonna handle black this time. Oh. Wow, interesting. Hey everybody, are you afraid of this move? If your opponent plays here, just you can endure to approach at the corner, then you will probably get more territory in the beginning. If you don't know Joseki how to handle, then you can creative by yourself. So don't be afraid, everybody. Everything you can creative by yourself. Okay, I'm happy to get the corner. Oh, he knows tricky Joseki. Obviously, he has information for this Joseki, I guess. But I know this Joseki too. Block. Okay, let me think a while. When he just plays a double honey here, normally capturing this trading is good enough for black. Should I be greedy here? No. Just don't be greedy. I think it was okay. I can exchange and throw that away. You can take my corner. This is a Joseki, but he exactly knows this one. It was really traditional Joseki. Really traditional Joseki. Not just even traditional. It was used about 30 to 40 years ago. How should I take care of this group? Should I just play here or this one? If I play here, he may just pincer. But okay, 2 space jump. I need to accept 3-3. Invasion at 3-3. That's what I don't like, but it's stable. 2 space approach. Oh, brother, when did you learn Baduk? I think, wow, you really know all the traditional form. You make me surprised. Okay, jump. Jump to the center and just answer here. Jump. Ah, did I have to pincer before I jump here? Seems I made him too comfortable. I have to be much evil. Why am I so nice? You like to Tenuki a lot. Are you sure in this timing you didn't defense here? You know that, right? Which side? Okay, just block here. Chisaku. I agree. He really knows all the traditional Joseki. I really want to ask him, when did he learn Baduk? Okay, it looks a little bit painful. But even his flow is really, you play there. Okay, it's time to separate. I cannot be nice anymore. But even you know Tesuji. Should I use it? Oh. But I don't know why. I really don't like my sacrifice position. I mean, when I do that, he can center here, and even tiger's mouth. But after I move here, I cannot say my moving position is great, but I will have to try, I think. Okay. Do you want to give it to me or not? Of course, you will say no. Okay. Capturing one stone is not good. He will sacrifice, and then he can surround the center with a clean shape. Hengma is also good. Hengma is also really great. Yeah, I think somehow, even though I separate of him, he is using really good Hengma system. Then I cannot say, oh, it was, if he plays a cap here, then it was making me very annoying. But now I think I can keep go out. Extend. Thank you for giving me great position. Oh, you have a plan. I guess you wanna kill this group, isn't it? Aren't you? Ho. I keep feeling surprised. 5 dancer are very strong. It's not that easy, really. If he plays here, actually, it's quite hard right now. Hello, welcome. Hengma means movement. Actually, it doesn't really use in the Western area or some other country. Doesn't have this meaning. Just like 1 space jump, 2 space jump, connect, hane, cut. The moving method is called hengma. In Korea and Japan, we have that concept. Just like moving horse. Yeah. Oh, I'm honored too. Alocherari. Welcome back to join my stream. Oh, is it the first game that I will feel really hard? Oh, he's really trying to capture my group here. Thank you for following me. How should I save here? Save me. Still, I can't lose. I shouldn't. Hengma is not exactly choosing the correct shape, just any kind of moving method from my stone is called hengma. Kosumi, nice move, large nice move, 1 space jump, 2 space jump, and connect or cut, or that's called hengma. Just moving horse, moving method. Yeah, I'm telling you one more time, there is no this kind of concept in so many of country. Oh, I shouldn't spend Boyomi. Oh, but he gave me a chance to set up 2 eyes here. But it's really annoying. I am supposed to go out to the center, but okay, let me ask this first. But this is giving him 1 eye as well. Yeah, that one. You don't have to catch up that concept. Thank you for following me. Will it help me? Oh, really, I cannot judge. Okay, just spend 1 more move at the center, but it might make me annoying as well. I don't have 2 eyes yet. If I block here, I can set up 2 eyes immediately, but it seems less efficient. Just let me try first. Cut is also hengma. Am I right? But basically, cut, push, extend, hane. I cannot be sure. Here is annoying. If later he pushes here. Chicken, okay, you can go back to connect. Chicken. Okay, I have 2 eyes. If you don't take care of this group, it's my turn. Okay, you played here, right? And then I have to steal your base. Do you have 2 eyes? Okay, outside, honey. Okay, I can surround. Surrounding is making me happy. However, I just need to surround you. Are you sure? Can you even save 2 stones? Oh, brother, you crossed the line. You are too much. You don't really save and then you are asking me you want to kill this group. That was too much, really. That was too much. Don't you agree? Empty triangle here. That's okay. Yeah, actually it might be a good move. But I lost the timing. Should I do it now? It's okay. I can accept him to have some end game. My life and death is no problem. Hey yo, you were too much just now. You gave me chance to me. I will be. Oh, cool net. Go out. Cool. But cool doesn't mean you can set up the net. Just, okay, go out. What can you do that? So you want me to cut, and I think this group already have 2 eyes. Then just peep. I am willing to give you 1 eye, but no 2 eyes. Block. Oh, here. What are you expecting now? Can I ignore? Oh, here seems good move. Brother, you were too much just now. You were too much. It was too much. Which one is right sentence? Okay, thank you for the game. Oh, he played well in the beginning. What was wrong with white just now? Oh, but I was so surprised that he knows this tricky joseki. Normally white has to play here and push and tenuki. I like this joseki a lot. Black's territory is so big. If I just restrict one time, if I reduce on time his influence, then Black's territory is so good. Well, I was surprised that he knows just this joseki. And that I'm showing you is the joseki. Yeah. It seems corner is very big, right? Corner is about 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 point. But it was white corner and black just has a potential at two sides of the area. That's why, according to follow the traditional logic, black was not bad. But I'm not sure if I search with AI. You can search now if you want to know how AI is saying about it. And then, wow, so traditional. And pincer here. I had a two decision. I can even pincer here and here. Both were good for me. He likes to tenuki a lot. This was very hard fighting. He has played well. I'm not sure whether he plays here. It seems much better than actual game because now my step was much slower. I cannot say this fighting was good for me because even there was aji like here. If this fighting condition was not good, then definitely, if this fighting condition was not good, that means my separating timing was too fast, maybe. I just need to go to the big place. He fought to win, really. Even this Tetsuji is good. Because if I just capture here, he can surround here. Yeah, it's very thick. I don't think I've got something there. Yeah, but this seems a bit slow. And then when I surround here, I'm ready to get back something here. Even this situation, I don't think white can capture. If he block here, I don't have a two eyes because this Atari is gonna be sente. But you know, this cutting nearly my sente. And I prepare to play here. And then when it break here, and then I wanted to play, I don't know, one space jump. This was what I was thinking, but not exactly sure. It was much harder for me, but just he stepped back. Maybe he was expecting me to play here, but that was too sweet. I don't answer there. I don't have reason to answer there. So now it was already good for me, and my mission is done. And then when you just go back to Kone at the neutral point, it was making white gote, and I can get some territory. And when he plays here, and now he's attacking when he had to save here, that was exactly too much. That's why I think couple times he was too much. So I catch up the chance and kill this group. Yeah, and it doesn't work. He just did resign here. Yeah. Okay, it was a nice game.